Songbird. This is Kerri from the Songbird.com, and I'm here to help you to get grounded, take flight and sing. And we are launching day 1 of 21 days to your new voice. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically I'm releasing 21 days of videos from the 1st of January all the way through to the 21st of January. And they're only going to be bite-sized videos that are basically going to help you really create the habits that you need to create in order to create your new voice for 2019. I really believe in you, Songbird. So I'm super excited about this series, and I'm super excited to take this journey with you. So for day 1, today we're actually not going to do any singing. And that probably sounds a bit weird, but it's really important that before we launch into this 21-day journey to your new voice, that the first thing you actually need to do is have a new mindset. Okay, now I don't know what background you come from when it comes to your singing journey and also just your life journey, but I do meet many songbirds, and this includes myself as well. Along my the last 13 plus years or whatever it's been of me vocal coaching, where the one thing that really hinders a person from really flourishing and really growing their voice and becoming the singer they want to be is a negative mindset. And that mindset, when you really dig deep and look into it, is basically I'm not enough. So it's that feeling of, oh, I'm not good enough to be a singer, or I'm not good enough to take singing lessons. I've had so many people come to me after years and years of considering vocal lessons, and I'm not even exaggerating right here. I'm talking about people who are senior, into their 60s or 70s, who finally come to me and they're like, I've wanted to take singing lessons for my whole life, but I've only been able to, sort of take the step right now because I've always felt like I'm just not good enough for lessons, And that breaks my heart. And so the first thing I want us to reset in day 1 of 21 days to your new voice, Songbird, is this feeling and this mindset. And I want you to know that you are most definitely enough, okay? If you want to sing, if you love to sing, it doesn't matter what skill set level you are at. I don't care whether you've been singing for 20 years just in the shower on your own, or while you're driving down the highway in your car, or whether you've been a professional singer all your life and you're gigging and you're playing concerts and all that. I don't care where you are in the spectrum of that. I want to tell you that you are enough, right? You have to understand that as a human being, let's just put singing aside for a bit, yeah? As a human being, you are valuable, you are worthy, you are enough, you are loved, you are valued, you are treasured, okay? Now, there could be many of you where you haven't grown up with those messages, and honestly, that's really heartbreaking, and a lot of us come from that background. But today, I really want to encourage you, Songbird. You are enough, you are loved, you are valued. So I want you to take this journey with me, with that as your foundational mindset. At songbird.com, we always talk about get grounded, take flight, and sing. And the get grounded, a lot of that is about your mindset. You need to want this, but you need to believe that you are worthy of this, and you are, okay? So that's the very first thing. Now, how can you actually get into that positive mindset every day? Is it just about positive thinking? Is it just about you every morning, getting up in the morning, looking in the mirror and saying, I am enough, I am enough? That's part of it, and that's really good. It works as well. Excuse me. In terms of a positive affirmation, that can really help to, I guess, begin the process of us really believing that we are enough, right? But where you want to go deeper to really just deal with those issues of why you feel you're not good enough is where you're going to have to really do a little bit of soul searching and a bit of work. Ask yourself the question, why do I feel like I'm not enough? And as you ask yourself the question, you might be taken back to a memory back in when you were a child, and maybe your dad or your mum or someone that meant something to you told you that, hey, you don't have a good voice, go and do something else. And maybe that's the reason why you don't feel like you're enough. Or maybe it's a memory that will come up for you that's got nothing to do with singing, but it's just something that's happened in your life that's really ingrained this belief that you're not enough. And if you can get to the root of that and then really deal with that and go, oh, now I acknowledge why I feel like I'm not enough, and now I can actually take that and I can actually put that in my past and move forward, then you can really reset your mindset and really go forward with me for the next 21 days and for the rest of the year, 365 days, right, that we've got. on your way to your new voice and to be all that you were created to be. So Songbird, that was all I wanted to say today. It's super important. I want you to know that you're enough. I want you to know that this singing journey is going to be so much fun if you can get to that place of I am enough. And it doesn't matter whether I can sing a note or pitch a note or not or whatever, it doesn't matter. You as a human being inherently are enough and you're worthy to come along on this journey, okay? 21 days to your new voice. So have a think about that, you know, just journal some thoughts or talk to a close friend or something and really, you know, get yourself into that positive mindset that you are enough, all right? Now, if you would like to get a really cool vocal warm-up cheat sheet freebie, just head on down to my website, click on the link below, and it was sent to you completely free, and it'll really help you to learn how to warm up your voice. But other than that, I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of 21 days to your new voice. Love you, Songbird, and always believe in you. See ya.